Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Rakib, and today I'm gonna make unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy M30 of Gradient Dark mobile phone. Let's see the unboxing video. Okay, here we go. This is the whole phone. A pretty sexy phone, man. Let me talk about the display. What is that? This is a charger, right? Is it fast charger? Okay. I was trying to order this in Amazon.com, but I was unable to. There was unavailable this phone, so I have ordered this in Samsung official website in flash sale. It has a special features that is must tell you. There is fingerprint sensor in rear position, and the other sensors are light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and compass and gyroscope, etc. It has Android V8.1 Oreo operating system. Let me talk about the display. The Super AMOLED with aspect ratio 19.5:9 with 6.4 inches display size. Our resolution is 1080 cross 2280 pixels with 80 capacitive touchscreen and multi-touch. The storage is expandable to 512 GB and internally 64 GB in this phone inbuilt. And LG of course supported here. And RAM is 8 GB, right? Let me show the RAM. The RAM is, I think, 8 GB, right? Or 4 GB?
4 GB. No.
It's 4 GB, yeah. It's 4 GB RAM. Okay, we're gonna do the basic booting. Okay. Oh, it's really awesome. The display is U-type display. As you can see, the reflection of the display that we are doing this video in iPhone SE. It's a really sexy phone, man. Some special feature of the camera is digital zoom, auto flash, and face detection, and touch to focus. What is this in Yes, triple camera, 16 megapixel front camera, and physical aperture is f2.0, and LED flash. A video recording will be here 9020 and cross 1080 with 30 fps frame per second. Each image resolution will be 41228 cross 3096 pixels. It has audio jack 3.5 millimeter, and it has some Mali. It uses a Mali G7 1MP2 graphics. Octa. It will provide you the battery backup very much. It will be pretty good, and the battery capacity is 5000 milliampere, which is type of light polymer. It has a facility of quick fast charger, as I told you before it. And if you connect in the 3G network, you can talk time that up to 31 hours. And most of all things that I have skipped, that will be available in the description section, and I'll provide you the official website links where you can order this mobile phone, and every feature will be available in the description section. And once again, thank you for watching my video and appreciate it.